Get paid doing online research? How about earning anywhere from $5 up to $45 an hour or even more by just doing online research? What's going on, everyone? Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can make anywhere from $5 up to $45 an hour or even more by just doing online research. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stick with me, stay till the end of this video so you don't miss out on any important information I'm going to share with you here. And I'm going to share with you also a few extra tips and tricks on how you can make even more money with doing online research here. So make sure you stick till the end here, and if you're interested in my #1 recommendation on how to make a full-time passive income online, make sure you check that out right here below at the end of this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at how we can make money doing research online. Let's get started. Alright, so the first site we can have a look at is squandercom. This is how it looks when we arrive to the site here, and you can see great research delivered fast. So whenever a company wants to have some research done, they come to squander.com here. You can see here that they do have a lot of great companies, big companies that has hired Squander, like Shell, Autodesk, Hewlett-Packard and so on, Procter & Gamble. So they actually, you can see here, fast turnaround, we work while you sleep. This is basically for a company that wants to hire Squander. Now what we are interested in is actually go to the section where it says become an analyst. So you can see here you earn money using your brain, you work when you want, you learn, expand your resume and your mind here. So this is a testimonial, and this is, look, you can see here, they usually they have like a recommended a product or service. That's when they want the research. It can be competitive landscaping, explain a trend or a phenomenon, gather statistics, determine the size of the market. And how it works is really simple. You visit the research dashboard when you're ready to start working. They assign a request to you to work on. You find an answer, sources, and synthesize your findings, and then you submit your work and you celebrate. Really simple to get started. As you can see here, you apply online, you get accepted, and you start researching. All you have to do is go to squander.com, have a look at the site there, and go ahead and apply to get started to make money with online research. Let's move on to the next one, and that is justanswer.com. Justanswer.com. This is how it looks from the top at the main site here. You can see here family lawyers minus the hourly rate, your personal mechanic. So if you do have a knowledge, if you're a lawyer, if you're a mechanic or something like that, there is a great and a big chance that you can make even more money with these sites, of course, because basically it looks like this. People come to this site, they want the expertise of someone who has the knowledge in mechanics or lawyer or something like that, and that is where you can come in, answer that question, and of course you get paid for that. So you can see here they do have tax, finance, lawyers, mechanics, vets, and a lot more. If I remember right, we're going to have a look at it. It's probably over 175 categories. So I can definitely imagine that there is something for you to sign up for here also. So we are interested in the section where it says become an expert. And you can see here, earn money by offering your services online. Become an expert on Just Answer and work when and where you want, doing what you do best while helping people. And it works actually more like a freelance job. I'm going to go back here a little bit later regarding the freelance section also. So if I scroll down a little bit here, you offer your services online, you work when you want from anywhere, and you make money doing what you love. Top experts earn thousands each month helping customers solve everyday issues, and you can of course join them. So now they do accepting applications, You can see here you select your category, you submit your information and submit your professional credentials. If you're ready to apply, you need of course a professional verification, a personal identification and a resume, and you just go ahead and apply. There you have it. Offer your services in one or more of our 175 plus categories. I mean, how cool is that? Tons of opportunities here, as seen on Entrepreneur Forbes, really a well-known site also. Justanswercom, go ahead, sign up there, apply and get started. Let's move on to another site, and that is experts123.com. Works pretty similar as justanswer.com. Share, contribute things you know, you learn, you gain knowledge from others, and you earn score expertise points. Alright, I'm not going to go into detail here, but experts123.com is definitely another site that you can sign up for. So as I mentioned earlier, it is more or less like a freelance work that you do here with the online research. Now, before we proceed, if you like what you see so far, make sure you smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. So with that being said, let's move on here. Now what I did is actually I went to some freelance sites and I typed research, and look at this. The first site is peopleperhour.com. By just typing research, I found 671 results. So it means that we can actually apply to these sites by doing online research. Now, if I just type online research here, I'm not sure what's going to show up here actually. There you have it. We have 25 euros. So this is approximately around $30 for 2 hours of in-depth online quality research. We have for 15 euros, this is around $17-18, find online information data for you, and we have assist you with online research for 20 euros, $25, I'm sorry. So you can do actually, have a look at this, web research, keyword research, data research. So if I type data research, 364 results. I mean, all you have to do is do actually a research on how you can apply with your profile that you're going to create on People Per Hour. As I said, if you're expert in data research, web research or something like that, you will be specialized and you can earn much more. So by just moving on here to freelancer.com, I typed research online here also. Look at this, 2171. This is probably a project here, but you can see that there is tons of opportunities and at all different rates here actually, 65 and so on. Of course, we have the upwork.com, which is probably #1 freelance site as well. And the same goes here, that you can see it starts for $14 per hour, 3, 40, 20, 25, 80 for market research, 100. So there is no limits here on how much you can earn. There is also another site, which is, I like this one, is virtual assistant jobs. You can have a look at this also. Now, of course, you can search for other virtual assistant jobs, but I typed research online here and I found 53 matching records. So even if not everything is research, but you can see here $20 to $14. Tons of opportunities here also by doing online research. Finally, we have Fiverr.com, where you can start from $5. It says 471 in euros here, so this is $5. I just typed online research, so I'm not sure what's going to show up here if I type web research. Okay, there we have much more results. Okay, 5,601 services available. And you can see here starting at $9.41, this is around $10. And this is data entry. So I've already mentioned in a lot of videos in the past about data entry jobs, but you can also apply for web research or research in overall, okay? Data entry, lead generation, you see web research again. Tons of opportunities here also. My tip is always to sign up for a few of these sites so you don't just wait for one site to send you some jobs here as a freelancer. But also Ask Wonder and the first opportunities I shared with you are a great way to get started with this. So there you have it on how you can make money online by doing research. Now, if you got some value here, once again, I appreciate if you smash that like button below. You'll find my #1 recommendation on how to make a full-time passive income online right here below this video. And make sure you also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like what you saw here. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find an end screen with a Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.